Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to add a bio to your Mastodon profile. If you've just joined Mastodon or want to update your profile, this video will guide you through the process clearly and easily. First, open the Mastodon app on your mobile device. Next, locate the profile icon at the bottom right and tap on it. Then select Edit Profile from the menu. After that, find the bio field and type in the information you want to share with others. This can include your interests, profession, or any brief description that represents you. Finally, once you are satisfied with your bio, click on the Save Changes button to update your profile. Your new bio will now be visible to everyone who visits your Mastodon profile. And that's how you can easily add or update your bio in the Mastodon app. Make sure your bio reflects who you are to make a great impression on your followers. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with friends. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful guides.